Introduce highlight features or overview summary for WarmBot 1080p Smart Video Doorbell Camera with AI Motion Detection. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: private and secure cloud recording. Video footage is stored securely with bank-level AES 128-bit encryption, accessible through the app, subscription applies. Vivid imaging with night monitoring. Capture real-time HD video in daylight or darkness, with crisp night vision up to 12 meters. AI-powered motion intelligence. Advanced algorithms detect and alert only when people approach, reducing false alarms and enhancing real security. Built-in microphone and speaker. Talk through the camera directly to visitors, family members, or delivery drivers with the press of a button. Support for multiple users. Allow family and trusted users to monitor the feed, check events, or talk through the camera via their own accounts. Durable outdoor design. IP65 rated for harsh conditions, engineered to operate rain or shine, cold or hot. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only for stable performance. Enjoy smoother video, faster connections, and fewer dropouts with a dedicated 2.4 GHz signal. Smarter home security. You'll get alerts that actually matter, thanks to built-in person detection and noise filtering. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.